Okay, so let's say you're trying to watch a video and you want to have your Microsoft Word document open at the same time. So I'm going to show you how to resize and manipulate or manage your windows. So right now, these are two different windows, even though I do have multiple documents or multiple windows open, I should say up here, as far as these different tabs up here on my browser. And I'm using Firefox as an example, by the way. But this still works for any browser that you're using. So let's say I want to have my Word doc open, whatever that document is. So always open the Word document, for if it's an assignment that I gave you a Word document to open. And by the way, if you do open a Word document from the internet, oftentimes you're going to see right up here in the middle, it's going to say enable editing. Click on it, and then you can start working on that document. So right now I can't see my video, but I can see Word. So if you come up here in the upper right hand corner, there is a restore down, this option right here in the middle. So this is minimized. It'll take it down to your taskbar at the bottom. But then the next one right here is restore down. So we're going to click on that. And yeah, it makes it, and it depends. When you click on yours might be a little bit bigger than mine. But now we can manipulate it or change it. So if I move my cursor right on the edge right there, if you notice, right here on that corner, I'm going to click and hold and drag it down and try to resize it. And I'm going to do this in the upper left-hand corner as well. Maybe like that. So we're going to do that. And then for now, I'm going to minimize it. We'll come back to that in just a second. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do a restore down. And then to move this window where I want it to be, I'm going to move my cursor. See where my cursor is right now. I'm not touching on top of any of these commands, but I'm going to click right in this blank area, drag it, and move it over. And then I'm going to resize just like I did before. And that way, I just want to be able to see enough of the video. Maybe even like that. And then now I'm going to click back on my Word document that I just had open. And now we got them side by side. And you can even kind of move this over a little bit. And now, even when I come over here and I click back on this video, if I need to go back and, at a different point in the video, remember you can do that. But I can still work over here. Now I kind of cut it off a little bit. You know this because you have your scroll bar down here at the bottom. Okay, so you can use your scroll bar, and all I did was move my cursor right on top of that scroll bar and drag it over. And you can drag this up and down. You got your vertical and horizontal scroll bars that you can do that too. And you can always minimize this with that little minus right there. And that kind of helps you as well. So, you play with it a little bit. Trust me, you can get it to where you got two windows open at the same time and you can multitask. That makes it a whole lot easier, okay, when you're trying to work on these assignments that require you to look at a video and to work in a Word document. So hopefully that helps if you've been trying to figure that out. This really works very well when you have a 42-inch screen like I do. I use a streaming TV, Roku TV, for my computer screen, for my desktop computer. It just works out a whole lot better versus these smaller screens that don't work so well. But you can still do this on a smaller screen. All right, at any rate, if you have any questions, any concerns, I'm here for you. I'll chat with you soon.